What's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What day is today? Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Morning, the beast. Man, Tesla. I missed out tremendously on the Tesla swing trade we talked about in the Discord yesterday. I know one member caught it. So I'm super stoked about that. Those 940 calls, super in the money today. My God, man, those are going to make so much money. Can't believe I missed out on it. Well, I'll definitely be watching Tesla for day trades today, but I cannot believe I missed out. I cannot believe I missed out on my own trade idea. This new computer arrived yesterday. My new computer finally arrived yesterday. So I spent all afternoon and all night setting it up. I had to set up everything. I even still have to do a partition on the hard drive because it came not correct. What can I say? It is what it is. Man, that's a rough one. That is a rough one, but hopefully we'll get some day trades on it. Man, that swing trade would have been big money, man. Big money. So just here watching right now, seeing what's going to happen today. Make that new watch list. But yeah, man, that Tesla swing trade would have been money. Can't wait to see how much the member makes. Well, that'll be the level for Tesla today, 950s. It's already at a resistance point right now. Is it? Awesome, man. I feel like something's wrong with my settings, though. Maybe it's just me, but it feels a little... like this looks a little grainy to me. It looks a little grainy. I don't know if it's me. It's because I don't have my glasses on. Not sure. All right. So, just can't get over Tesla. Damn it. That's all good. We will nail it today for a day trade. And it will be front and center on my watch list. I knew it. I knew it was the colors. And you know what? I messed with them last night. And now I don't remember how to get back to the setting. I don't remember how to get back to the setting where I can change the colors. I knew it. Yeah, now for the life of me, I can't get back to that setting. I don't remember how I did it. That happens all the damn time. I seriously have no clue. Yeah. I know. It's just messing with all colors. Let me see if by knocking off my lights and the lights I have on top. Let me see if that fixes it a little bit. I think that made it worse. And now I think I look green. Yeah, I don't remember how to get back there. Does the audio sound better? I know. It's terrible. It's terrible. I gotta fix this. You can hear the mouse clicks. Really? Good lord. Hold on. The mic's in the correct setting. Dude, that's crazy. My door's closed here in the office, and she's all the way over there in the living room. Yeah, Poolman, it's a brand new computer. Last night I was working on this until super late, and I screwed around with the colors on this at night, and obviously it's not going to look the same now. And now I can't remember how to get back to it. Like, now I can't remember how to get back to it. The good thing is that I got you guys here. Guys, how do you get back to the colors on OBS? Does anyone know? I know it's got to be in properties somewhere, but excuse me, but I don't see it. Oh well, I'll figure it out later then. It's so funny. Yeah, like I don't have enough to do, dude. It's crazy. It's like, yeah, Jesse, you don't have enough to do. Let's just do something else. Hey guys, do me a quick favor. We got 14 people watching, and we got 7 likes. Help me out there. Hit that like button. Turn that sucker blue. Unlike my image, which is looking green. Hey, maybe that's because today's going to be a super green day. That's what it is, Beast. It's smooth. That's awesome. That was the main thing. Bro, this thing is running like a champ. I have it on all top settings, and the GPU is only at 33% load. The only other setting I possibly could do here is 4K, and I didn't want to do it because I was concerned, and I'm not gonna do it. There's no need for it. But I'm on super high settings here. This 3080 Ti is a beast. I just gotta fix these colors later today. So we're gonna keep Tesla on watch, Bfri definitely on watch. I think the Spy has like a small little like a chill day. I think the Spy has like a little chill day here. Yeah, I don't think I need 4K for this. That'll be overkill. That'll be overkill. I just gotta fix the colors. I gotta try to remember where that's at and fix it. Alright. So I don't think I'm gonna put the Spy on the watch list today because I don't expect the Spy to do a whole lot. I mean, I could be horribly wrong. But I mean, look, this is a big day. This was a huge day, way bigger than I expected it to be. You know, let's go back and look. Remember those 3-day events that we talked about? 3 days in a bounce. Did we get a huge? No, not a huge bounce. 3 days in a bounce. That one was a significant gap up here. We're not getting a significant gap up today. 3 days in a bounce. And when you look, the third day bounce wasn't all that big. Whoa. See, one bounce, second, third day. Kind of like an inside. In this one here, one bounce, second bounce, third day was a big gap up. We're not getting a big gap up today. We're getting something similar to this, where we're opening up near yesterday's price action. Let's see this one. We got 3 days, and then a bounce, second bounce. Next one opens up really close. So yeah, I wouldn't expect a whole lot today if we're gonna go by that trend. I wouldn't expect a whole lot. All right. Oh, there we go, guys. 14 likes. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Spy pulling in here. See if there's any news. NAKD. Okay, so this is obviously clearly a reverse split. Because if this stock was at 50 cents yesterday, there's no way it's up here at 70 cents. I've said $7, $6 like this. So it's got to be a reverse split, obviously. And it's selling off already. Yeah, I mean, oh, the beast. You know what I'm liking even more than the graphics card is the CPU, man. This thing is only at 5% right now. Love it. I got that Ryzen 9500X or whatever. Let me see. Yeah, 9500 sorry, 5900X. The R9 5900X. That thing's a beast. Yeah, 23 hours ago, NAKD limited shareholders overwhelmingly approve acquisition of Central and Extraordinary General Meeting. That was yesterday. No news today. Yeah, man. No, you know what I'm gonna do? Probably next week. Because one of the times that I noticed that I needed this upgrade was when I was streaming on YouTube, streaming on the Discord, and trading all at the same time. That's when I was like, whoa, my computer just can't I can't handle it anymore. So I need an upgrade. So I can't wait to do that. That's gonna be the test. Right now the CPU is only at 4% load. Love it. The GPU is at 36, 38. But I do have some really good settings on it right now. Yeah, so Jose, NAKD, I'm not gonna touch that today. Don't think I'll look at it either. Yeah, I have the bitrate at 10,000, so it should be more than enough for YouTube. That was my shoulder. All right. BRTX. Big gap up here selling off. AMC to the moon. So BRTX announces CRO agreement with PRC Clinical for its BRTX 100 Phase 2 clinical trial. That was yesterday. I'm not going to expect a lot out of that. AMC. AMC needs to keep holding this $20 level. Previous resistance became support. But just like the other day, we're in front of a lot of resistance area. 200-day, 50-day, 100-day moving average. Primarily right now, this 50-day. I would suspect that we're going to get this crossover to happen from the 50-day coming down and crossing down under the 200-day, which would cause a death cross to occur. I might even look for puts at that time for a swing trade, guys. See if I can ride this back down. Look at this drawing. That's what I think is more than likely to happen on AMC if we cannot break above this 200-day moving average. This right here, I'm putting it out here on the line right now. That's what I think will happen if we cannot cross over the 200-day. If that begins to happen, I'll probably look for puts on AMC, see if I can ride it back down to 20. All right. Okay, so RCAT, RCAT. Let's see if that one has any use. It's hitting the scans today. No news that I see on this thing. No news that I see on RCAT. BVXV. Watch that $2 zone. Watch that $2 zone on BV. On BV, what is this again? BVXV. Previous support zone on this daily chart could become a new area of support for it. Good eye there, Jose. So BVXV, 1 hour ago, signs definitive agreement for development and commercialization of innovative nano-sized COVID-19 antibody therapy. So that's what it is. It's got COVID news. Okay, so we're going to put that one on here. Watching the $2 area. For support on pullbacks. Could have room towards. It's got to get through that 100-day moving average. If it does, then you know, 250. There you go. Not something that I'm going to put a whole lot of emphasis on. Not sure if Elon finished selling yet. Yeah, Bfri. You guys, let me show you something real quick here. So let me show you this. Come over here to watch list in the dashboard, weekly watch list. Bfri, watching for a break and hold of the $8 area. Could have room towards 10. This is the weekly watch list over at the daytraderchatroom.com. We went over this countless times on the Discord. We even sent it out in an email to our email list that subscribes to the weekly and daily watch list. This was beautiful. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Some members nailed BFRI yesterday in chat better than I did, and I caught a decent little trade on it. So BFRI definitely on watch today for a hold of this 1040 zone right here. Previous high. If you are not subscribed to the weekly watch list, then all you got to do is click here. Scroll to the bottom. Scroll to the bottom and fill out your email. King, you're having trouble hearing me? Anyone else having trouble hearing me there? Let me know. I upped it a little bit here. All right, so BFRI, watching for 1040 to continue holding support to see if we can get back up there towards that $14 area. Seriously, man, you know what it is, right? It's the bit rate I put on the audio for the stream. I just learned about that last night. I put that sucker at full blast, so it's picking up everything super clear. I'm going to drop it a little bit. I'm going to probably drop it just a tad. I can't do it while the stream is going, so it'll be for next time, tomorrow. So we have BVXV, BFRI on the watch list. This RCAT, I did not see any news on. So I'm not going to mess with this thing, especially with this daily. Guys, do me a quick solid. It's not about, oh, I want likes because I need likes to live. It's because the YouTube algorithm. If it wasn't for that, I wouldn't ask. We got 27 people in the stream. Welcome all. Good morning. Do me a quick solid. Hit that like button for me. It really goes a long way with the YouTube's algorithm. That's all. That's the only reason. So, you know, if you can help me out with that, that'd be amazing. All right. So we got that. Now let's go ahead and do Tesla real quick here. Wow, that was quick. Thanks, guys. Keep it up. 23 likes. So Tesla, you know, we're going to have probably resistance here at this level. You could see it was previously a level of support, and now more than likely this is going to be a level of resistance for now. So today, you know, if I were going to go long Tesla, which I will be eyeing it for a long setup for some call options, I'd have to say the 950 zone is what I'd want to see hold support. Like if Tesla comes down to the 950s, even what's this? 960 is the high of that candle. The 950s is more secure because we have this. We have this, and we have this previous level there. You can see where support really kicked in. This one candle here, it's just a singular candle, has a high of 960. It could find support there. If it does, then I'll know. It's not like I'm going to buy in front of 960 or in front of 950. I just want to see it tap one of those levels and bounce strong off of it. Then that shows me that there's still possibly momentum in Tesla for the day for a move back to 980s. You know, so that's what I'm going to be watching today on Tesla. Watching for the 950s or 960 area to hold support on pullbacks could have room towards 980. Tesla had a very big day yesterday. So we got Tesla, BVXV, BFRI on watch. That's what we have on watch right now. Guys, real quick, a couple of little announcements here. Here's the free Discord. You can swing on by there. Also, today we're going to be doing the next tablet giveaway in the Discord. Okay, now the only way to participate with that is by being in the live stream at the Discord. You can join the Discord for free and you'll have access to our trading floor where we talk all day. I'm serious, like it's nonstop. Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I see people have been talking there at 10, 11 o'clock at night and I'm like, wow, you guys don't sleep, huh? But if you want to join the live stream, we stream Mondays for free. Okay, but if you want to be a full member there all the time, then you're going to need to join one of our subscriptions. And here is the DTC Lite. And then that way, if you sign up for that today, you'll automatically be in the stream and you automatically have a chance today to win some stuff. Today, we're going to do the tablet. We gave away a tablet on Monday. Today, we're going to do a tablet. We're going to do some merch. And we might do another free one-on-one with me. Yesterday, we did scanners. Yesterday, we gave away scanners. We gave away some merch. And we gave away a free one-on-one. This is because this week, we're doing the whole Christmas thing. And we're going to do a gift every day this week. So today we're going to do it via contest. Yesterday was spin the wheel and whatever name popped up won. Today we're going to be doing a contest. So here you go, DTC Lite. Your first month is free and then it's just $24.99. Let me see here. And then if you're interested in our Christmas and end of year's deal that we have going on right now, it's going to be this, which is the DTC Pro plan. This gives you access to everything we have, always, meaning all our content, all my courses, the new course that's coming out in January, the shorting course, the expansion of the day trading course next year, all of that, plus our video lesson library with nearly 300 videos at this point, plus now until the end of the year, December 31st, whatever. I don't know how many days we have this year, in December, honestly. Till the end of the month, we're going to have a special. This special is the DTC Pro plan. Okay, you got everything I just mentioned, plus a free one-on-one, okay? And right now, we're going to pay for your scanners for a whole year. Meaning, you're going to sign up for the DTC Pro plan. You become a full member. You get access to the dashboard. Here, I'll show you real quick. You get access to the dashboard. You see all the courses are here. Video lesson library right here. Trading psychology, technical analysis, day trading recaps, fundamental lessons. It's nearly 300 videos. These are some of the top ones. Our favorite lessons, most recent uploads right up here. And then the courses are all here, of course. Okay, boom. Options course, boom. All right, plus many more resources. And for the whole year, we're going to pay for your TC2000 scanners and charts. All right, and that would be right here. Get free scanners for the year paid by us with DTC Pro. This will end December 31st. At midnight, and you won't see this again, I don't know until when. All right, just a heads up on that. So if you were thinking about joining the DTC Pro, that would be probably one of the best specials you're going to see in a while. Joseph joined yesterday. I want free Cuban coffee. I want my coffee now too. I don't know where my coffee's at. I better not get too loud. My wife's going to get mad. She's going to throw the coffee at me. Thank you for joining, man. Appreciate having you in the team. Glad to have you on there. You'll have a chance. Remember, today in the stream, we're going to be giving away another one of these tablets. So that'll happen after we're done trading around 11 a.m. Okay? After 11:30, we're usually done trading. So what we do is we go into recap live lesson. And then now this week we're doing our giveaways. Then at 2 p.m. I come back on the microphone. Morning, Martin. Thoughts on BFRI? We actually have it on the watch list. Watching for 1040 area to hold support. Could have room back towards the 14. Sorry, I'm looking like this as I'm looking at the chat. I can't see it very well. I got my pop filter on my microphone blocking part of the screen. But BFRI, that's what we're watching. This one's been on the weekly watch list. We've nailed this one really well. So there you go. Previous high here, 1040s. Watching to see if that level holds support today. See if we get that squeeze on back towards 14 because these shorts are still trapped. I would imagine you had a chunk of them come back in here. And they're feeling comfortable. If we can get back over 13, I think we squeeze. Again, because we've already squeezed. All right. So now that you got all that good info there, let's move on here with the morning. A good entry point is I won't know a good entry point until I see it. I won't know a good one until I see it. Break and hold of 13 could be one. That could be one, but I have to wait until the market opens and see the action, see the volume. There's a lot that goes into that. It's not just like, oh, $13 would be a good area to buy. Boop, you buy it. What if there wasn't enough volume at $13 and then it doesn't hold? There's more to it than just a price level. Yo, Jonal, the host, admin at the daytraderchatroom.com, and the Discord is in the house. He is saying hi from the mountains in, I think, Tennessee. My guy's over there on a little vacation here to the end of the year. Left me here working nonstop. Guys, there you go. Free Discord. Come join us. And you can see Jonal's pictures from the mountain that he's been posting. All right. Excuse me. All right, so we have there's the swing entry would have been in here on BFRI. Okay, so we got Tesla, BVXV, BFRI on watch. Let's see what else we have on here. BRTX. Don't like the action we're seeing on this right now. It's horrible. RCAT has no news, plus this daily chart is wild. AVCT, right, got smacked up again. Look at this. That 100-day moving average there, smacked back down. Today in pre-market, 100-day moving average, smacked back down. Let me see if there's a recent news on this or something. No news today on AVCT. None. Guys, if Roblox breaks above this 103 level, got a little gap to fill here. Pull out a few points there to keep that on watch. Put that on the back burner watch list. Roblox watching for a break and a hold of 104, let's say. 103.50. Could have room towards 107. ALK. Oh my god. Yeah, no, I won't go after something like this. That's a falling knife. You never know. I don't want to get cut. And I don't swing trade. Okay, when I swing trade, it's either large caps, mid caps. If it's a small cap that I'm swing trading, or a biotech, it's generally speaking a couple days, you know, a day, overnight swing trade, stuff like that. It's not that I would never buy a biotech. That's me. and hold it for the next few weeks, next few months, waiting on some new drug pipe, that's in the pipeline. I won't do that. It's way too high risk. Way too high risk. For me, some people that's what they do. That's their style, their trading strategy. Not for me though. Let's check in on this ACST. Yesterday I had some news. It's no volume really on it either. The scans this morning aren't the greatest, guys, to be honest. The scans this morning are kind of light. Let me send out a quick tweet here, let everybody know we're in here on the live stream. And part of our watch list. Tesla, BV, XV, Bfri, Roblox. All right. So we got Tesla, BVXV, BFRI, and Roblox on watch right now. AVCT. No, AVCT is not moving. It's not moving. This thing literally moved 5 cents. Damn, SPY's giving a lot of this move back today. But you know what? It's like exactly what we said when we started the stream earlier this morning. We expected the SPY to trade right in there. That's exactly what we said this morning. We expected the SPY to trade right in that little range. So let's see if it does us right, and it does that. Maybe we hold the 50-day moving average today, have a little inside day, cool down, relax, let the SPY just sit back in the couch and digest dinner while it watches some TV. And then tomorrow we get a move that can take us back towards 165. I think that would be a little bit more of a safer bet, in my opinion. So I'm not too upset to see a SPY pull back here. The only thing that I'm concerned with that would be on Tesla, because I would like to trade some calls on Tesla today. But if it's not going to give it to me, I'm most certainly not going to force a trade on it either. That's not going to happen. So today's going to be a day to definitely be on watch and be very disciplined, waiting, like very, very patient day. That's why I'm going to be very, very patient today. All right. So nothing else that I like on the scans very much. Do you guys have anything else you're watching for today? I think so far we all had about the same stuff on watch, to be honest. It's 8:45 a.m. It's really early. It's really early still. Maybe something else hits the scans later. It's possible. Like this watch list, we made it rather quickly today. So while we watch the scans here and see if something else pops up, we could definitely use this time a little bit more efficiently. You guys can throw out any questions you have, any tickers, any charts. If you want me to analyze a chart for you, help you find some support resistance levels, throw that out there. I'll be happy to do that. The beast, you still out there? Did the video like quality change any? Maybe I have to do it after I'm done with the stream. I actually found the color settings. The King Tesla phone. I heard something about that recently. I don't know. I wouldn't pay too much mind. I think that market's still dominated by Apple. Facebook. All right, let me show you. Facebook is trading in this channel. So that means you have support here. You have resistance here. Right now, where are you? In the middle of the channel. You want to be a buyer, typically, of a stock. If you're a trader that trades patterns, either at the support level, or if you're going to buy a breakout, you're going to buy a break out of this channel with maybe a pullback to this previous resistance zone showing you support, and then that'll be an area that potentially one could buy looking for a move higher. But I would not buy it in the middle of the channel. That's just where it's going to chop around. You know, what are you going to do? You're going to buy it at 335 and then it comes all the way back down here to 305 and you're like, oh my God. And then all of a sudden you sell out of it because, oh my God, I can't take this pain anymore. And then I step in here and I buy it at 310 and I ride it to 355. You see what I'm saying? So that's typically what you want to look at. Yeah, I'll definitely have to mess with it later on. I'm pretty bad at that. I'm not going to lie, the beast. Gonna have to, I don't know, go on YouTube, figure it out. But yeah, I'm probably going to spend a good amount of time today during lunch messing with that. So Facebook. Yeah, Joshua, we have BVXV on the watch list. We have that one on the watch list. Jose brought it up earlier. That was a good eye on that one. BVXV. What a move. It might, you know, at this point now, we might have to watch. I hate when they just make the whole move without us, you know. Might have to watch these 250s. Maybe even the 240s. Yep. You got it, Jose. That was a good eye, man. You picked a really good one there to put on the watch list. So, Tesla, BVXV, BFRI, RBLX. Those are still the leaders for the watch list running today as far as I'm concerned. This BRTX is just selling right off, you know what I'm saying? So there's no point. I'm not going to put that on the watch list. And RCAT has no news. And that daily chart looks horrendous. KMX. Yeah, but it doesn't have any volume. Sorry, guys. Just the Discord over there. People talking. That's why you hear that little boop boop. You can come join the fun right here. Boom. Yeah, guys. It's looking rather slowish compared to yesterday. Let me see here. BlackBerry. Nah. Pablo's been destroyed. Completely wrecked. I guess it's going to be that. I guess it's just going to be that today. You know, I guess it's just going to be that today as far as the watch list goes. Dude, China made him disappear for like a good while. For a good while. And recently, I don't know who else disappeared. Somebody famous over there that has a lot of pull and a lot of money. I don't know, man. I mean, it's not surprising considering it's a communist government. You know? So it's not surprising. Nah. It's a different world. It's a different world. Especially when the man's about to dish out $11 billion. You know? Especially when the man's about to dish out $11 billion in tax in income taxes. Musk, nah. You gotta understand, you're talking about two different worlds. You're talking about China, talking about the US. I'm not saying the US doesn't do shady things. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying we got guns. Mike, yeah, that's what they call it. They probably put him in someone else's re-education camps and told them, hey, either you fall in line with our communist stuff or, you know, we don't care how much money you have. You're gone. Exactly, the beast. The IRS loves Elon Musk because they're like, yes, give us $11 billion. The biggest tax bill, income tax bill in history in the United States. And you know they're just gonna piss it away. They're just going to piss it away. It was funny because I don't know who it was that had mentioned about world hunger and Elon Musk, and he was like, I will put up the money to solve this problem. I don't know how much money they said they needed to solve world hunger. And he was like, I'll put up the money. You're going to do open book accounting. Everyone, like blockchain style, it's going to be on the blockchain. Everyone in the world is going to have access to how you spent the money to solve world hunger. I'll put up the money. You're going to solve the problem. Crickets. Crickets is what you heard. Nothing happened because they didn't do it. They were like, nah, no thanks. 12 billion? Was it 12 billion, Mike, for the tax bill or for the world hunger? For the world hunger? Gotcha. Bfri. Yeah, Bfri is definitely going to be one to keep on watch. I would not be surprised in the least bit to see Bfri open up and do something like this and get halted. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. Yeah, the beast. Don't worry, man. You know what we say? You know what we say in the Discord? If it's going to be the strong one, it's going to give us more than one opportunity to trade it. So don't even worry. The beast, how does, or you guys, anybody, how does the video look? Is it cleaner now? Are the colors more balanced? I know the stream is smoother than it's ever been. I'm so pumped up for this new computer. But I'm trying to get the colors right. I'm really bad at that. No lie, I'm really bad at that. Like the stuff I do in order to do YouTube videos, I do all of this by myself. I don't have an editor or anything like that. Maybe if I had like 500,000 subscribers, I'd get an editor. It's better. It's not as pale anymore. Good. Awesome. Getting better. That's great. That's great. That was the main thing. I needed multiple cores. I had multiple cores in my old computer, but I needed way more. The King, will TC 2000 run on Chromebook? I don't know. Let's find out real quick. Let's see if we can find out real quick. Okay, so Google says, like I literally wrote, will TC2000 run on Chromebook? And the very first thing that pops up says, you can now access your TC2000 on a Chromebook. TC2000 mobile is not on an app. So there you go. Seating looks purple, white contrast is out. The beast. Giving me a quick lesson here on walls are green and purple for some reason. So the walls are green and purple? Well, there is a purple light. Forget if you see the mess that I have here, it's from the old computer, but there is a purple light down there, see? Normally you can see it, but I haven't really set up everything all nice yet because I was still working on the computer stuff. So that's probably why you're seeing purple up there, but it shouldn't really be that purple. I'm seeing it now on the camera, so the white balance is off, huh? That's what that means. The Beast, I teach you trading, you teach me all this stuff. Deal. One-on-ones. You get a free one-on-one for trading, I get a free one-on-one to fix all this crap. The white balance is off. Yeah, I'm guessing the LED strips are what's, making it. Okay, that's making it worse. There we go. This might be a little bit better. Here we go. I think this might be a little bit better. Or did it go right back to what it was? I don't know. No idea. Guys, I'm just talking crap here with you guys and just, shooting the time here because there's really not a whole lot going on with these scans. We have, I think, the best possible watch list for the time. What I'm going to be doing for sure is after the bell rings, I'm going to be keeping a close eye on the scans to see if something new pops up and gives us a better setup. Because right now all I have is Tesla, BVXV, BFRI, and RBLX. That's what I have on watch, and I don't see it changing right now at all because there's really nothing else new hitting the scans. Okay, Roblox. Yep, we did that one. Roblox. You see right here the daily chart. Previous support zone. This previous support zone is now an area of resistance, right? Watching for a break and hold of that level that could bring it back up here towards 107 for the gap fill. All right. All right, guys, it's 9 o'clock. I got to get on over to the Discord. If you are not a member there, come on over. Join right here. It's free to join. Boom. I mean, it doesn't get any easier. And I'll be on the Discord all day. I'm on the Discord all day streaming every day, Monday through Friday. So the way it works is we're on there from about 9:20 a.m. until 12 o'clock. I leave the stream running, but then we go into lunch. Between that time, we're going over the trades, we're going over charts, we're going live questions, we're doing live recaps, we're doing live lessons, the live trading with my alerts, and all that good stuff. All right. So then at 2 p.m., I usually come right back onto the stream and we go over the afternoon setups to see if there's anything good to trade in the afternoon. But for now, that's it for today's stream here on YouTube. I'll be back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Thank you very much for tuning in, and thank you very much for hitting that like button. You guys really helped out tremendously today with that, and I appreciate it very much. I'll probably put up a recap later today. All right, and I'll catch you guys again either in the Discord or tomorrow at 8 here on the stream. All right, guys, good luck. Stay disciplined out there.